Our next eminent speaker is Councillor Pat Evans, who is the Mayor of Farnham, home to Islamabad and Masjid Mubarak. Councillor Evans' mayoral theme is to work with the community for the community. I welcome her to Jalsa Salana and request her to come and say a few words.
Your Holiness, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure for me, the Mayor of Farnham, to represent your close neighbours here today. Unfortunately, I was unable to be with you at the Mubarak Mosque inauguration on the 29th of June, and therefore I am particularly happy to join you today. We in Farnham appreciate greatly the special links we have had with your community over many years. We enjoy the contribution from Ahmadiyya in supporting Farnham in Bloom through your community programme, and also your support of Remembrance Sunday and support for local charities. Local support which we greatly appreciate. I note that Your Holiness said in your address in Baltimore in October 2018 that we value and cherish our neighbours. We are there to serve the community and to be loyal and faithful citizens. This has been our experience in Farnham, and we value and thank you for your contribution to our community. I am a long-serving member of Rotary International, a worldwide voluntary organisation with the commitment of service above self. Rotary also has an education and peace programme, including financial support of students to study for peace scholarships based in universities throughout the world, including Bradford here in the UK. I honour and respect your ethos in the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, with your message of tolerance, public service, and the pursuit of peace, and your desire for love for all, hatred for none. Such worthy ideals, long may they serve the communities where you are based. Thank you.